toys don't have to be expensive, just cardboard boxes, empty pizza boxes, empty bottles. For puppies, paper and cardboard are particularly good because even if they ingest them, it's not going to do them any harm. Or dog toys such as the raggers that you see here. With older dogs, they're more than likely not going to ingest the plastic, but obviously that would just have to be watched initially. Yeah. So as you can see, this little guy is trying to pick up all the toys and bring them over for himself. And this little black one prefers to go in the basin and play with the balls in the basin. Is there some water in that white thing? Do you want to pop some tennis balls in on the water? So if we thought ahead and put more water in that basin, the balls would float around and it'd be more interesting for them. So puppies are chewing the box instead of my laces and my jeans. Hello. So chewing is very important for all dogs, but puppies especially, since their teeth, they're losing their baby teeth and getting their adult teeth. So chewing is very, very important. They have to chew in order to lose their baby teeth properly. Also, it's part of a dog's natural behaviour to rip up stuff and dissect stuff, as you can see them demonstrating so well here. So unfortunately for us carers, that means more cleaning up, but that's what they need. And this little guy seems to have settled down, and possibly the fact that the other puppies are more interested in the cardboard boxes at the moment means that he can keep the other things for himself for now. So hopefully he will settle down with the guarding. This may be something to be considered in a future home for him if he's to share with another dog, and possibly also with people, depending on how he goes. So in the long term, we want him to be more comfortable with other dogs and ourselves around toys. So it's not about correcting the behaviour, it's about making him feel more comfortable with it.